Well, one of the things that is being developed is transgenic lettuce that will be able to produce, mRNA to vaccinate one head of lettuce per person.
Yeah.
This is apparently what some people think is reasonable to be working on after seeing, how these genetic vaccines have been deployed. What do you think?
Yeah, the idea is genetically engineer lettuce and spinach, and then you can have a salad and get vaccinated against, potential biological threats. There are some serious scientific problems with this proposal, oral tolerance and other issues that we probably don't have time to get into, but there's very serious reasons to believe, one, this will not work for its intended purpose, and two, it's going to cause potentially some serious health harms. But I think more important for our conversation is this is part of a broader proposal of potentially bypassing the informed consent process by putting mRNA gene-based technology in foods. There's also research that I described at the very end of the prologue on self-spreading vaccines that are themselves carried by respiratory viruses that supposedly are not supposed to make you very sick, but these, 10%, 15% of the population gets a vaccine, and the rest of the population sort of catches the vaccine contagiously because the vaccine itself is being carried by a virus. To my mind, these are not just dangerous, but downright ludicrous proposals. I think they're entirely reckless, ethically and scientifically and medically. With the mRNA vaccines, they can be scaled up very quickly, and they can be retooled or sort of reprogrammed, if you will, to try to deal with new variants. That project hasn't actually worked out very well in terms of producing more efficacious vaccine. But the concept is almost sort of treating the human being like a piece of hardware that requires genetic based coding, mRNA or DNA software updates every few months to sort of stay current and stay functional, as though the human body were like an iPhone.